Alright guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to change your cabin air filter on a Toyota Corolla 2010. Alright, so in order to change your cabin air filter, you're going to want to go into the glove box. And you're going to see this little latch right here. You want to unhook that, just like that. And then you want to squeeze in the two sides of the glove box and pull down. It might be a little tough if you haven't changed it in a while. So, just like that. All right, so after you take apart the glove box, you're gonna see this little cap right here. You're gonna wanna pull this off. Let's see, just like that. And that will expose the cabin air filter. So this is your old one. As you can see, mine's really dirty. It's in need of a change, so you can throw that out. Inside here, just try to clean up whatever debris is left in here before you put your new one in. All right, so this is the cabin air filter I got off. I actually got this one at Walmart, but if you check the link down below, I'll put some links to some on Amazon that you can get that will fit a 2010 Toyota Corolla. All right, so this is a new air filter. You can see it's a lot cleaner than the old one. So to install this, you're pretty much going to do the same thing you did to take it out, just in reverse. So you're going to want to put it inside the little hole in here the same way you took it out. There's going to be a little arrow right there. Make sure this is facing down before you put it in. So you just put it in all the way. You get the cap that you took off earlier, just like that. Put it back in. So then you're gonna just want to close your glove box, and before closing it, you're gonna want to reattach the latch that you took off in the beginning, just like that. And there, that's how you change a 2010 Toyota Corolla cabin air filter.